Welcome. Today, I want us to talk about regex. So, regex in Python actually are just search patterns that enable us to look through a particular text and see if we see some search patterns in there. Sometimes I use in the cases of checking if a text is actually a good email address and many other things. Maybe we're looking to see if there are words in the text and not just exclamation signs or commas or things like that. So that's basically how this functions. So with this tutorial that we have in front of us, we are going to go through regex and answer it. So what do you think is the answer to this tutorial? Kindly give me in the comment section. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump into it. So now, to work with regex in Python, we need to first of all import the RE library. That's it. Import the RE library. And what you need first is text. Normally, let's give something like hello world. That's our text. Then we need now a pattern to follow. So now the pattern I'll follow will be I'll just do this A to Z. Yeah, it's a basic pattern. That's the pattern I'm going to follow. And now we just need to do the match to check. So because of time, I'm going to just go through the basics of regex and show you how it works basically. In case you want any further explanation of regex, let me know. I'll make a full video about all the methods of the regex library. So now, with this find all, as you can see up here, it says give me the pattern and give me the string. And I'll give you any occurrences that resemble it. So I'll say pattern here. Then I'll type text. Correct. I'm going to print the match. That does give me hello world. Okay, let me explain to you what happens here basically. What happens here is we are telling regex is asking for this pattern. It says give me words from A to Z. I want you to give me words from A to Z in this text. Search for words from A to Z in this text. And this plus sign means look through. Show me, look through all the letters of this text and give me the ones that are from A to Z. Excluding spaces or exclamation marks because it's just asking for words. So that's what it does. As you can see here, it has printed hello world because it says A to Z. We start H, E, L, L, O. That's one word it has seen. It stops and searches again because of this space. It is W, O, R, L, D. That's the hello world. So it means if we put spaces here and run, that's what it's going to give us too, because it doesn't, the pattern that we wanted, we just want letters from A to Z. So that's basically what this pattern says. Give me letters from A to Z and increment. I just want each letter from A to Z. Give me the letter H, E, L, L, O. Increment, increment, increment. If you see a space, stop, or the space is not what we want from our pattern. Just give us the letters. That's all we want from our pattern. So that's kind of how regex works. Give it the pattern to follow and give it the text that is supposed to search in it. So with what we have, it's true our pattern is kind of different here. So I'm going to like take this and run and also explain to you what's happening so that you don't get lost. So for this question we had here, the text here is hello world. We already imported our regex, imported regex module. The text here is hello world. And as you can see, this pattern, what does it say? It says, give me this slash and B. It says, give me the beginning of the word. Is it formatted like a string? Does it begin like a string? The beginning of the word, does it begin like a string? Normal string. That means, are there characters at the beginning? The boundaries, does it begin like a string? That's what it says. Now it says, this W plus, slash W plus, what does it say? It says, give me words. W, give me words. I want only words from A to Z. All the words. Because you saw in our last example, I said A to Z, I specified. Because you can say from A to B, A to N, and all. Now, here, I just want words. All. Any W word. Give me any letter. Any letter. H, E, L, L, O. Increments. So I want H, E, L, L, O. Any one you find, I want you to increment. Look through the text and give me any bunch of characters you find. Any bunch of characters you find. Ignore spaces, ignore the commas because that's not what is in our pattern. You see. Now the boundary I'm looking for again at the end is I want my word to end with a boundary. I don't want spaces here. I don't want this. I want my word to end with a boundary. That's what I'm searching for here in this pattern. So I've passed the pattern in my find all method, and I've passed the text too. And now I just need to print the matches. This is what I get. Hello world. Beginning, word, loop through, get it here, like this. And I come again, like this. At the end, I don't want any of this. I want my patterns to finish with words. So basically, that is how regex function. Patterns and text. Now, if you want a deep explanation of all these pattern functions or how all these patterns are made, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video explaining how all these patterns are made. Thank you very much. As you can see, our answer is definitely A because of the pattern we have. Okay, thank you. Hope you have subscribed. I give you the best of the best about Python concepts. Thank you very much. See you next time.